great fish resolved, if we feed not himself, it will feed my revenge. He has disgraced me and hindered me half a million, laughed at my losses, mocked at my gain, scorned my nation, thwarted my bargains, fooled my friends, hated my enemies, and what is his reason? I am a Jew. Has not a Jew eyes? Has not a Jew hands, organs, dimension, senses, affection, passion? Fed with the same food, hurt with the same weapons, subject to the same diseases, healed by the same means, warm and cooled by the same winter and summer as the Christians. If you prick us, do we not bleed? If you tickle us, do we not laugh? And if you poison us, do we not die? And if you wrong us, do we not revenge? If we are like you in the rest, we will resemble you in that. So Jew wrong a Christian, what is this humility? Revenge? If a Christian wrong a Jew, what is the suffer as seen by Christian example? By revenge? The ability you teach me, I will execute, and it shall go